Today I'm going to show you how you can connect your WhatsApp business account in just 5 steps. First, let's go to the WhatsApp Connect account. As you can see, a highlighted button called Connect WhatsApp is here. So click on it and a pop-up window will appear where you have to log into your Facebook account. Now click on Continue as your Facebook account. You'll have to grant a permission to your Facebook app so that it can manage your WhatsApp business account. So I have to give permission, and to do that, let's click on Get Started. Now choose your business profile. I have 2 over here, so I'm going to choose Socialmate and click on Next. Now we have to choose our WhatsApp business account, so I'm going to choose Socialmate and click on Next. Now select your business category to Automotive and click Next. Now add a phone number for your WhatsApp. Your customers will see this number when they chat with you, so choose a number that you're always available. Since I'm from Bangladesh, so I'm going to choose +88 code over here and choose text message for verification code and then click on Next. Finally, wait for the verification code. It may take few seconds, so please wait patiently. And my code is here, so type it. Click Next. And lastly, connect your WhatsApp catalog. Select one and click on Continue. Review your granted permission carefully one last time and click on Continue. Now wait patiently while Meta verify your information and click on Finish.